BVPNs. Your Garsar is again with you with a very interesting poem, I Saw Children Playing, written by Dora Sigerson Shorter. Students, in this poem, Dora Sigerson described the child philosophy. Children don't want to get disturbed while they are playing. So, in this poem also, something happened like this. So, the poet wrote that poem that how the children feel whenever someone called them while they were playing with their friends. Okay, students, so let's study this poem. I saw children playing, dancing in a ring, till a voice came, calling one away. With a sad backward glance, she went loitering, hoping they would miss her and showcase to play. So, students, when a girl was called by someone while she was playing with her friends, she felt that when she will not be there, her friends will stop to play and they will not play. Okay, they will miss her. Pettishly and pouting, "'Tis not time to sleep." Sobbing and protesting, slowly she did go. But her many comrades, they all run and live, feeling not her absence, hiding not her woe. Means, what happened? Her friend said, it's not time to sleep. Why are you going? It's too much early. She sobbed, but she had to go because someone called her from her home. So she went away. While she was going at her home, she was too much sad. Okay, but her friends started again playing with each other. They were enjoying together. They started jumping and playing and laughing to each other. They did not miss to her. So as I went chatting through the city hum with my old companion, laughing on the way. Means, when I came back, I was thinking and I was talking to myself. Means, when her old companion called her and she started talking to herself, but her voice was just passed away or missed away in a city hum. City hum means city crowd. Okay, students? To my lovely sleeping, leaving work and play, with my sad, mournful glance, do I look to see if a heart should loving pause and turn aside for the happy circle and then come to me. Signing, do not leave us, still with us abide. No, they still are playing, chatting in a ring, eager voice, seeking other games to know. Lone, I go protesting, hear them laugh and sing, feeling not my absence, healing not my woe. Means, in that para, the girl came at home and she started sleeping, but she could not sleep because she was hearing the voice of the children, those who were playing outside. They were chatting to each other, they were playing and enjoying to each other. So when she were hearing her voice, she felt that why the people call them when somebody were enjoying, when the children were enjoying, when they were playing, why they call us, why our elder person call us, why they call us to sleep or to do another work. When we are feeling to play, but our parents or our elders call us to do another thing. Okay, so that was the thing. But instead of missing her, that all friends, they were also enjoying to each other. Because of Hearing their voice, she became little bit more sad. Okay, students, that was the poem. I hope all of you have understood the poem. And if you have any props, then you may ask to me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, and we will send the PDF of your question and answer, which you will have to do in your English notebook. Okay, then, bye bye. Stay healthy, stay safe.